Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, power brakes, FWD, headlights auto off. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.